India's COVID vaccination coverage has crossed 182 crore mark administered under the nationwide vaccination drive. Wings India 2022, Asia's largest civil aviation event, will take off on Thursday at Begumpet Airport in Hyderabad. New Delhi has rejected the uncalled reference to India by Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi during his speech to the Organization of Islamic Cooperation in Pakistan. India has successfully test-fired surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile BrahMos in Andaman and Nicobar. The National Cadet Corps Northeastern Region Group Commanders Conference was held at NCC Directorate Northeastern Region, Shillong from 23rd to 24th of March 2022.